Denali with chrome rims, an older 2000s model silver Ford Taurus with unknown Missouri tag. The suspect is believed to be Robert Foreman Jr., a black male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 160 pounds, with black hair in 2 thick braids, with tattoos showing on his neck. He was last seen wearing a black hoodie and a black hat. The victim is Amelia Foreman, a 1-month-old baby, last seen wearing a yellow jumpsuit and a gray and pink car seat. If you have any information on the location of Amelia, please call 911 immediately. Other tips may be shared by calling the Kansas City Tips Hotline at 816-474-8477.